I've got the data and I've got somebody that can process the data and I've got somebody that can tell you what it is that they did. But then there's this other level of, let me tell you what the data means. Let me tell you how you can make purpose of this. Let me tell you how this data is going to create that actionable result. That's a skill set that's not something that you can hire right away. It's a learned skill set, right?
Yes and no. I mean, so one of my favorite interview questions that I ask people is I give them a hypothetical question from a client, which is actually a question that I get probably once a week. And that question is, this looks wrong. You get an email from a client and it literally says, this looks wrong. And so I ask them how they would reply to that inquiry, right? And what I'm looking for in that interview is I need some sort of thought process of, okay, how am I going to go back to the client? Am I going to say, okay, well, was it the report last week or was it the report from yesterday? Was it the global trading or was it just for trading in the US? Was it, I know this part is right because I triple checked this. Is it this other part that maybe I didn't triple check? So I try to get that out of them in the interview because what I'm looking for is them to be able to break down that very vague, high level question and see a thought process and see kind of, okay, I can check off this bit that I know is right, or I can check off this bit that I know the client has confirmed is not what they're asking for, and kind of keep iterating down. But I do agree that a large component of this does come from experience and intuition. And